Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This video may be lengthy, but when it has the potential and power to change your life, it's worth watching. Let us discuss 6 interesting psychological effects that may improvise your perception and even our life. If you are looking for a way to supercharge your personal development, understanding the psychology behind our actions is an essential first step. Understanding the psychology behind the way we think might help us to think even better. Let us explore the first effect, that is the pratfall effect. Your likability will increase if you aren't perfect. When a person makes a mistake or acts in a clumsy way that might even make people laugh, they are found to be more likable, including in comparison with people who are more intelligent, and when you make a mistake, you appear more human, more like others, and so more likable. People who are perfect can seem threatening, but people who are imperfect are safe and hence easier to. Messing up draws people closer to you, whereas perfection creates distance and an unattractive air of invincibility. This theory was tested by psychologist Elliot Aronson. You may have seen few comedy clips in some of my videos, so this makes you laugh or comfortable. Charlie Chaplin and Mr. Bean exploited the pratfall effect to the fullest. Many YouTubers use this pratfall effect to well connect with the audience. If you want to be liked, make mistakes sometimes, or just the pratfall effect serves as a good reminder that it is okay to be fallible. Occasional mistakes are not only acceptable, they may turn out to be beneficial. So long as the mistakes are not critical and making mistakes does not compound a reputation for being unliked, the occasional pratfall can come in very handy. Now, the second one is the Pygmalion effect. Greater expectations drive greater performance. The Pygmalion effect or Rosenthal effect is a psychological phenomenon wherein high expectations lead to improved performance in a given area. The effect is named after the Greek myth of Pygmalion, a sculptor who fell in love with a statue he had carved, and one day his expectations became true. The crux of this psychological phenomenon is the concept of self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe something is true of yourself, eventually it will be. Inducing confidence in children can make them into. Negative implications of the Pygmalion effect is self-loathing and hatred creates negative results. So remember that your expectations to the people around you, especially your children, can have a real effect on their beliefs about themselves and consequently their performance. So be mindful of your words while interacting with your children. Grown-ups, this is for you. Self-worth comes from within, not from outward forces. So, don't let your negative external expectations act upon you. Expectations create reality, whether it is positive or negative, that matters. The applications for the Pygmalion effect can have benefits for both personal development and leadership. Individually, you can challenge yourself with more difficult goals and tasks in an effort to rise to meet the challenge. As a leader, when you expect great things of your team, you may see improved performance in return. Now let's move to the next effect, the paradox of choice. The more choices we have, the less likely we are to be content with our decision. In the modern world, we tend to think more choice is better, but there can be problems with excessive choices. Barry Schwartz defined the paradox of choice as the fact that in Western developed societies, a large amount of choice is commonly associated with the welfare and freedom, but too much choice causes the feeling of less happiness, less satisfaction, and can even lead to paralysis. To prove this paradox, psychologists Mark Leper and Sheena Iyengar conducted an experiment on supermarket jam. At a food store, Leper and Iyengar set up a display of high quality jams and taste samples. In one test, they offered 6 varieties. Another test, they offered 24. The results of the study showed that 30% of the people exposed to the smaller section ended up purchasing a jar of jam. Only 3% of the people exposed to the larger section purchased jam. Happiness is diminished with the extra effort, and we get stressed when we have multiple options to choose. A simple solution to the paradox of choice is give yourself fewer options. Focus on what makes you happy and do what gives meaning to your life. Even if our ultimate decision is clearly correct when faced with many choices, we are less likely to be happy with what. No doubt this is familiar to you. When you buy a new car, you might toss and turn over the decision. And even I experienced the paradox of choice while choosing the music for this video. And many students in choosing their career path face this paradox of choice effect. So keep your interest well defined and stay calm. Come on, now let's see what is bystander effect. I have already explained clearly about this bystander effect in my previous videos, so do watch it and subscribe my channel. Now briefly, bystander effect refers to the phenomenon in which the greater the number of people present, the less likely people are to help a person in distress. To overcome this effect, be specific when you need help. Ask someone for help by name so as to remove the diffusion of responsibility. I have given the link of my previous video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. The next effect is the most prevalent one among us. The spotlight effect. Your mistakes are not noticed as much as. According to the spotlight effect, people aren't paying attention at our moments of failure nearly as much as. In other words, we tend to think there is a spotlight on us at all times, but it's not true in the reality. The perception of our being under constant scrutiny is merely in our minds, and the paranoia or obsession and self-doubt that we feel each time we make a mistake does not truly reflect reality. To test the spotlight effect, a team of psychologists at Cornell asked a group of test subjects to wear an embarrassing t-shirt and estimate how many other people had noticed what they were wearing. The people who wore an embarrassing t-shirt thought that they were under constant public gaze and scrutiny, but in reality, the impact is far less than you think. You are under the spotlight less often. Acknowledging this should lead to increased comfortability and relaxation in public settings and more freedom to be yourself. Psychologist Kenneth Savitsky put, you can't completely eliminate the embarrassment you feel when you commit a faux pas, but it helps to know how much you are exaggerating its impact. You can overcome the spotlight effect by focusing your attention outward and noticing other people's reactions. This will both help you to stop focusing inward on your anxiety as well as notice how little other people are actually paying attention to you. Yeah, in my initial slide, instead of psychological effects, I mentioned facts. I thought it's a blunder, and you may not notice it properly. Yes, this spotlight effect is working well. Now, the final effect, that is the focusing effect. People place too much importance on one aspect of an event and fail to recognize other factors. Nothing in life is as important as you think it is while you are thinking about it. The focusing effect is a cognitive bias that causes us to attribute too much weight to events of the past and translate them into future expectations. Marketers use focusing effect, also called focusing illusion, on consumers by convincing them of the necessary features of a product or a service. Politicians too use focusing to exaggerate the importance of particular issues. To combat this effect, it is important to remember to keep perspective, look at problems from many angles, and weigh several factors before making a decision. The downfall of the focusing effect is that it can lead to mistakes in predicting future outcomes. If you can avoid tunnel vision or at least acknowledge that it may exist, you can improve your chances of making a sound choice. This slide presents a glimpse of all 6 psychological effects. If necessary, you can take a screenshot of it. That's all, friends. Which psychological effect was so interesting? Have you ever experienced some of these psychological effects? Let us know your thoughts on comment section. Share this video to your loved ones. Give a thumbs up for our video and subscribe our channel to support us.